Hi everybody, this is Left-Handed Shooter. Today we're going to take a look at this CRKT CEO knife. Okay, I just picked this up last night at Walmart, 30 bucks. Here's the packaging it came in. I guess they put this in here for it's an everyday carry. Lifetime warranty. It was designed by Richard Rogers. Some specifications. All right. The only thing I did do, I cut the bottom of this so I can get this thing out easily, but I've never even touched this knife before. Okay, pull that aside. Okay, that's what she looks like. Now, this knife right here, it has a flat grind, the satin finish. Has a liner lock. It has a pocket clip. It's non-reversible. It's going to be tipped down. Let's see here. Okay, this is how she's locking up. Okay. So easy it is to open. That's not too bad. I heard a bunch of people complaining about it and how it would wiggle in your hand or something like that. Let me see here. I don't know. I think people just like to complain about everything. Let me give you some specs. The blade length, 3.11 inches. The edge is plain. The steel is 8CR13 MOV, which I guess is decent for this price range of a knife. Satin finish. Thickness of the blade is 0.09. When it's closed, it's 4.45 inches open, meaning the full length. 7.63 inches. It says it weighs 2.10 ounces. And the scales here are they're glass reinfilled nylon. And the style, of course, is a folding knife with a liner lock. Let's double check the weight here. See how much you really. Let's see. I get 2 ounces. Do that again. Yeah, 2 ounces. And a lot of people don't like it because of how skinny it is, how small it is in your hand. But you know what? This is the CEO. This is a penknife, supposed to be non-threatening knife. You'd have this sitting in your pocket while you're at work. No one goes, oh, look at the big knife. Or you can use it as a letter opener, or it's sitting in you have it in your, maybe a briefcase or something like that with your other pens and knives. It doesn't just sit out. It's supposed to be a classy looking knife. I think that's what it's supposed to be doing. Let's see how sharp she is. Wow. That was my fault. She's a cutting. See something in here. She's very minimalist, though. You know, there's a very sleek, and it has a thumb stud on the one side, which fits inside this pocket here. So it just, like, if you look down the thing, it just barely sticks out right here. That's what you get your thumb on to get it out. And also use it the same access hole. It's where to move the liner lock to unlock it, to fold it back up. All right. That's about all there really is on this knife. I mean, it is what it is. It's basically a cool looking letter opener. Remember to like and subscribe, thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.